pitfalls of OBD2 diagnostics. The biggest problem is customer motivation. They've experienced no performance problems that they're willing to admit to. The only thing they have to go by is a malfunction indicator lamp that's turned on. It makes very low motivation to do a repair and pay for the bill. And to complicate the problem, some OBD2 codes are quite complex to diagnose and take time. Then, when we get done, sometimes we have new codes that appear after the old code's been corrected, with the customer seeing the same check engine light and in their mind seeing the same problem. We're going to take you through a diagnosis and show you the tools we use and a lot of the bad readings we use to identify problems. This is the specification page we use to help minimize some of our diagnostic time. Across the top we have our navigation bars. And in the body of these two pages we've got all the details we need, like firing order, injector resistance, fuel pressure. We're going to need for every car. But let's take the time to go look at some codes.